kum ke jing nang ai men sim bat burom halor ke jing la jong ki samla ban pendep ha ke jing pule na ke te ke slim aji kai la ne ke bla pendep ya ka graduation ka Bhoi college menta ka singi ka fratrik unai lor arjar fly kala yo ban Pynkup burom ye ka pangut tam ki samla pule ki bla pas ki Kyrdan bikom bat ba na ka ne ka college la yo ru ban ai Synod chabaro ki samla pule ki papas pha ha ka ne ka college hakane ka singi lawan bansaki yakane ka jingle burom dei kong w kebla ibadai principal jong ka alpha higher secondary school Nongpoh ilawan poi kum ikong san ibalong ru secretary jong ka governing body ka Bhoi college haka jinga sran lang uba arar makdo ubadai ru founding member kane ka college u isi beni ubadai ru principal in charge kane ka college ki no hikai lambat ki samla pule jong kane ka college nalor ki jing sam Synod chi ki samla pule la Pynkup burom ru ye ke kinoi kai ki bala jing sakri ka bala slam ha ka ne ka college shu la phu phing ye ka ne ka lumpung da ka jing rwai ber ki jing shat na ki samla pule ka ne ka college haba jing kran ha ka ne ka singi na kal yang i kong w ke bla il ai men sim ber kan tu ki samla pule jong ka ne ka college mikin nang trai shi tom shu ha ki jing pule ki ba sha khama ban job ya ka thong
you will be getting your certificate mementos. You have completed one milestone of your life, that is getting a degree, and that too from Bhoi college, which is near to you, which has given you this opportunity to study here and get this wonderful graduate certificate, degree certificate. My dear students, when you go out, life is not easy. Life is difficult, but remember two things. Number one, you must try to be of help to others. Do more help, be of help, support wherever you can, in whatever capacity you are able to. Give your best to yourself and to the society. My second advice to you is never do any harm to you. Never do anything that will go wrong as a person, as will put you into problems. Take care of yourself, be sure of yourself, take the advice, but take independent decisions and encourage and support others. These are the two things I would like to tell you. The world is cruel, life is very difficult, but you have the power to decide yourself. You have the spirit of ambition. You can be somebody in life. That thought must guide you. That inspiration should lead you. That you are capable of achieving whatever you wish for. See, whatever happens within you is under your control. You must listen to your inner voice. You must have independent decision-making power. Nobody can influence you, nobody can guide you in the wrong way when you are sure of yourself. When you can decide yourself, decision-making is a very important aspect, whether in life or in institutions. So, here we celebrate these two functions together. I want to tell you, I want to inform all the teachers that our duty towards the students of Bhoi college in this area is tremendous. We need to work ourselves, value our service, ourselves, do the best that is possible so that more and more graduate students will come out of this Bhoi college. I would like to, lastly, I want to tell everybody today here present that this function is organized by the Student Welfare Cell and IQAC. They have done a tremendous job in spite of
for the college. His concern that he has for the students, student community and the teachers, the non-teaching staff of the college is really so wonderful. So because of his far-sightedness, his mission and his vision and his sacrifice, along with Sir Kiba here, the former CM of the KHADC Autonomous District, they have been there and few more. Ribhoi should have an institution which will serve the people of Ribhoi, not only at the school level, but at the higher secondary and in the higher educational institution at the college. We thank God for that and for all his contribution that he made. Let's continue to pray for him, that he'll have longer years with us, so that he can advise us and make his suggestions and support us in every which way. I have your greetings from all the MC members, to the college, to the teaching staff, to the non-teaching staff. And I'd like to say one thing. I've had the opportunity and the joy and the pleasure of working together with late Sri R.M. Mashari, the principal of this college, so to say, actually the first principal of Ribhoi College, as well as the former principal, Sri S.S.R. Baman, for long years. And now I have this pleasure to work together with our principal in charge, Sri E.C. Benny, along with a beautiful team of teachers. Many of them I've met, the teaching staff, the non-teaching staff, and it has been wonderful working with them. Before 2002, I was just a GP member under late Sri R.I. Mashari. But from 2002, I was given the post, or rather the charge of the secretary of the Ribhoi governing body of the Ribhoi College. And it had not been easy. At that point of time, we were really at a stage where we thought we could never raise our heads up. But thank you for all the wonderful support. The teachers have been there more than 25 years, those whom we had Phil stated just now. The students along the years, it has been beautiful. And I'm sure completing 39 years is not all. We're looking for the Golden Jubilee celebration, which we hope will be soon. And we hope that with the coming of the new education policy and new infrastructures will come up, which the Vice President had spoken. We really need an auditorium where we can hold such functions as these, a proper canteen, that all the facilities that we require. And when we're looking forward to celebrating the Golden Jubilee with much better facilities and better service to the students, to the teachers, and of course to the community as a whole. I will not say long. I'm a black, so I can go on black. Alright? So, but I'll not keep you long. You've had beautiful messages ahead of you. Now, just one thing, I cannot send you empty-handed. I'd like to congratulate all those graduating students this year. The outgoing students who are seated here and those who are not here anymore, for wearing a gown. I'll tell you, we should cheer. I heard you cheering so much when the electricity came. Because wearing a gown makes you feel so hot. Does it make you feel stylish? I'm sure it didn't, because it covers all your beautiful, apparel. But wearing a gown has a meaning. Wearing a cap, a graduating cap, has a meaning. It shows that you've been successful. So big round of applause for ourselves. Come on, everyone. Anywhere. The word of God says, don't be over smart. Let me put it that way. Don't be over smart, thinking that you can do everything by yourself because I have big muscles, I have big brain. You're wrong. God says, lean not in your own understanding, because your own understanding is nothing. If there's an atheist among you, which I hope there is not, but when you go out into the world, a big, wide world, so many of you will become philosophers, and you may go about and say, there is no God, because I can achieve everything by myself. No, that's not true. Somewhere life, along your life's journey, a time will come when you say, I will acknowledge there is a God. I believe in God. I believe in dreams. Do you have dreams? You should. Not only for that sporting games, the tea or something. You calculate the numbers from your dreams and then you put your money, your cash in it, and then that dreams will, come true. Those are the dreams that you should have as graduating students. The famous song of ABBA says, I have a dream. I have a dream. But sometimes, our dreams may be different from what you dream now. Because when you put yourself into God's hands, the dream that He has for you may be something else. But I'm sure when you put yourself into God's hands, your dream with God, with God's plan, will be a successful one. Because God says, I have good plans for you. I know you each one by name. I have good plans for you. And these plans are not evil. They are all good. Graduating students, God has a plan for each one of you. Finishing college, finishing degree from the college is not all. In fact, it's just another step that you need to bridge the gap to higher studies or to higher service if you started working. These are the things that we need to believe on. I believe in good health. Do you believe in good health? All the health is wealth, we say that. With all the COVID-19, with all the eye flu and the bird flu and the swine flu, what flu we don't have? Woo! Scary. But as young students, as graduating students, as smart people, we should believe in good health. That means taking care of ourselves.